Hello, my name is Norman. Today, I am using a strategy that I often recommend to novice traders with the alligator and momentum indicators. My account balance is 775, and today I am focusing on simplicity and efficiency. This strategy is ideal for those who want to start trading without unnecessary complications. Today, I will be working with clear signals. When alligator confirms the trend and momentum assesses its strength, this approach allows you to avoid noise fluctuations and work with stable movements. I would appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel and liked the video. My name is Norman. Let's get started. First, let's set up the tools for work. If you need a promo code for a deposit bonus, I will leave it in the description. I choose classic candles. Time frame, 30 seconds. Go to the Indicators tab and select Alligator and Momentum. Let's set up the Alligator indicator. Jaws period set to 10. Jaws shift 5. Teeth period 5. Teeth shift 3. Lips period 3. Lips shift 1. Go to Style. Set the width of lips, teeth, and jaws to 2. Save. Let's configure momentum. Set the period to 15. Go to Style. In the mainline settings, select the shape type line. Set the width to 2 and move opacity to the right. Set up to yellow. Save. The indicators are ready to go. Friend, if you still have questions after watching the video, be sure to write to me in private messages on Telegram and I will be happy to help you. First situation. Expiration time, 1 minute. I open a sell trade for $500. Now I will tell you how to apply this strategy correctly. Look, the first signal comes from the momentum indicator. When its line crosses the thin middle line from top to bottom, it signals that the trend on the chart has changed to a downward one. This means that the upward trend has run out of steam, and sellers are beginning to dominate the market, which opens up opportunities for bearish trading. The second signal comes from the alligator indicator. When its green line crosses the brown and blue lines from top to bottom, it confirms the downward movement. Such a crossover indicates that a downward trend is beginning to prevail in the market, and buyers are losing control. This signal confirms that the trend continues to move downward. Excellent. The first trade closes with a profit. I earned $460. Let's move on to the next signal. Want to receive daily analytics and improve your trading skills? Join my free Telegram channel, where we share strategies and support each other. If anything in the video is unclear, you can always ask a question or contact me personally. The link to the channel is in the description. Come and grow with us. In Telegram, you will find up-to-date analysis that will help you make informed decisions. Join while it's free. I see a new signal. The expiration time is also 1 minute. I open a trade to sell for $1,000. The movement on the chart is very clear, and all indicators have confirmed the signal, which gives me confidence in the correctness of my decision. The chart also clearly shows that the price is stuck in a sideways range. This is a classic consolidation phase, during which the market accumulates potential for a subsequent impulse. Such periods of calm often precede a sharp breakout in one direction when the accumulated energy bursts out. This moment of consolidation is an important part of market dynamics, as it is during this phase that support and resistance levels are formed. Judging by the current market picture, the structure of the movement indicates an increased likelihood of a downward breakout. This is an additional argument in favor of a downward trend, as sellers begin to prevail and buyers lose strength. As soon as the price leaves the boundaries of this corridor, the accumulated energy will begin to be realized in the direction of the breakout. The trade is successful. I make a profit of $920 and continue working. New situation. The expiration time is 1 minute. I open a buy trade for $2,000. All indicators showed a favorable signal, and the chart shows excellent growth. This creates ideal conditions for a confident entry into the market, as all signals are consistent and confirm that the upward movement will continue. When technical tools give clear and consistent signals, it increases the likelihood of a successful outcome, giving confidence that the movement will develop in the right direction. The chart shows green impulse candles, which are an excellent confirmation of the strength of the uptrend. These candles indicate that buyers are actively operating in the market, and the trend is gaining momentum. Impulse candles always signal a powerful movement in one direction, and when they appear in an uptrend, it usually indicates that the movement will continue to develop upward. This signal, confirmed by indicators, allows us to confidently assume that the upward movement will continue, which creates excellent opportunities for profit. Yes, the trade brought me a profit of $1,760, and my balance is growing. Let's keep going. Good signal. I set the expiration time to 1 minute and open a sell trade for $2,000. The chart is moving steadily downward, and all indicators support the downward trend, which gives confidence in the continuation of this movement. When all technical signals are aligned, it gives us a strong basis for a confident entry into the market, with the aim of further decline. Once again, I see a sideways movement in which the price is in a narrow range. This behavior often signals the accumulation of energy and the market's preparation for a breakout. Since the current trend is downward, there is a high probability that the candles will go down, and the accumulated energy in the sideways movement will be realized in a fall. These signals confirm that the market is ready to continue moving down. Given the current market picture, I am confident that the trend will develop in a downward direction, and I will definitely profit from this movement. Excellent. I made another profitable trade, earning $1,840, and my balance is now $5,835. Let's sum up the results. I managed to increase my balance from $775 to $5,835. The strategy worked very well, and I am happy with the result. If you have any questions about the methodology itself or want to understand it more deeply, feel free to write to me on Telegram. I will be happy to help. Thank you very much for watching, liking, and subscribing to the channel. My name is Norman. See you soon, and happy trading.